How to regrow Roman lettuce from scrapes.
Hello my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. So a few weeks ago I did a video on how to regrow scallions in water. And many of you asked me if you can also regrow other vegetables like this. So today I'd like to share with you how we can easily regrow Roman lettuce. Let's take a look.
First, we're gonna cut the lettuce 2 inches above its ends. You can eat the lettuce directly after 12 to 14 days. They won't grow any bigger in water. But since we just built this really beautiful vegetable bed, I decided to transplant it in the soil after the 9th day. The soil that we use is 60% topsoil, 40% compost, and with some mulch on top to retain water. And we plant the lettuce so they are about 6 to 10 inches apart. And as you can see, my little one, she's also here to help out. She's always super happy, super eager to help. Again, the lettuce prefer the temperature between 45 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 7 to 24 degrees Celsius. So once the weather gets too hot, like over 80 degrees, you might want to put up some shade or covers over it. But right now the weather is spring, so it's perfect for Roman lettuce. We're gonna water daily, either morning or night. Since I still have some water here in the cup, I'm just gonna use this one for now. I'll water a little more later. Now you can enjoy and watch your lettuce grow every day. You can harvest the lettuce once it reaches about 8 inches. If you waited for too long, then eventually the flowers will come out. Then the leaves will turn kind of bitter also. But by then, you could take the seeds from the flowers and grow the lettuce from the seed again.
It was truly a lot of fun watching the lettuce grow every day and eventually putting it into soil. So guys, comment below and share with me if you have grown any other vegetables before. And remember to subscribe, thumbs up for this video, also share it because I feel like a lot of people will benefit from this kind of video, especially during this special time. And I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye now!